Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Omni Academy. I welcome you all to this presentation of also a demo session for my new training, which will be starting very soon. Um, this training is about Microsoft Power BI, and my name is Murtaza Mehdi. Here is my brief introduction about myself. My name is Murtaza Mehdi, and I am a passionate trainer for Excel and my Microsoft Excel, and my core expertise are in Microsoft Excel from basic till advanced level training, also in Power BI, business analytics, financial analysis, and financial planning and financial modeling. I have delivered many trainings around Pakistan, and few of them are from local sectors and from FMCG sector as well. Some of them are Industrial and Ivy Bank, Oman Investment Company. Also, I have delivered some presentation and trainings to Dubai, Deloitte, Afghan, and some of them are local TSO and NLC. These are government sector. Also, my last assignment was in Sindh Revenue Board, SRB. I have a 14 years of professional experience in banking, insurance, and FMCG sector, and I work for some top-notch companies of Pakistan, such as ABN AMRO, Royal Bank of Scotland, uh, American International Group, and FMCGs. I'm by qualification, I am MBA in finance and also BS Computer Sciences from Hamdard University. I have attended some courses from IBA, and I am certified Microsoft Office specialist in Excel and Word 2013. Hmm. This is a brief introduction about brief introduction about Microsoft Power BI. Basically, what is first we need to um, we need to discuss about the brief introduction about Microsoft Power BI. You know that Power BI launched in 2015 by Microsoft, and it's a basically BI tool which provide analysis, analytics, and reporting of and data visuals. क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ी इसकी कि आप फॉर एग्जांपल जब भी हमारे पास पहले हमारे पास एक एक्सेल टूल था जो कि बहुत वर्ल्ड वाइड और बहुत यूज़ होता था रिपोर्टिंग पर्पस के लिए और डेटा एनालिसिस वगैरह के लिए। लेकिन उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि एक्सेल में बहुत सारी लिमिटेशंस आना शुरू हुई क्योंकि डेटा हमारे पास जो है डे बाय डे जो है इंक्रीज़ होता गया। ऑर्गेनाइज़ेशन आर मूविंग ग्लोबली, तो ग्लोबलाइजेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट आया, देन उसके बाद जो है डाटा जो है एक्यूमुलेट होता गया और एक्सेल के पास लिमिटेशन थी कि 2016 में जब एक्सेल आया उसके अंदर लिमिटेशन ऑफ रोज 1 मिलियन से ज़्यादा नहीं होती और वो पूरा अगर ऑक्यूपाई होगा तो उसकी भी एक बहुत हैवी हो जाती है फाइल्स वगैरह दबी हुई होती है। तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने इसके लिए एक पावर बीआई का नाम से एक टूल लॉन्च किया जो कि पावर बीआई लॉन्च किया जो कि हमारे पास जो है रिपोर्टिंग भी करता है और डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन और इसके अंदर और आप डैशबोर्ड रिपोर्टिंग ईज़िली कर सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि हमारे पास जो है इट्स अ वेरी इजी टू यूज़ टूल और उसके अंदर मोर इफ़ेक्टिव है काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें और इसके अंदर आराम से आप ग्राफ्स बना सकते हैं, सारी चीज़ें और डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन काफ़ी ईज़ी हो जाता है इसके अंदर। ठीक है। ये कोर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होगा हमारा, व्हाट वी विल लर्न इन दिस कोर्स आर डेवलपिंग डैशबोर्ड्स सच एज अ फाइनेंशियल डैशबोर्ड, मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स डैशबोर्ड, supply chain dashboard and HR dashboard and many more dashboards which we start learning from the scratch till the end or advanced level of advanced level. Then we will learn the DAX formulas or DAX expressions. DAX are the basically abbreviation of data analysis expression, which are the formula or the expression written in Power BI. Just like Microsoft, when you write some of the formulas or functions in Microsoft Excel, it's just the same that we write in Power BI to perform some such calculations. These are some of the points we will discuss in this course. Number one is time series formulas. Then concept of secondly, we will learn the concept of calculated columns versus measures. What are these? Aggregate functions, counting functions, logical functions, information functions, and text functions. And all lastly, we will learn some of the date functions. Uh, these are these are some of the brief details that we discussed in the previous slides. These are the detailed discussion that we discussed. Number one, we discuss here the aggregated functions. What are these? We will learn DAX function has some aggregation of the functions that such as sum function, average function, minimum, maximum, and some X. We will learn these functions thoroughly in this Power BI course. Then the counting functions. The counting functions are the functions. Uh, Counting functions are we will learn count, count A, count blank, count rows, and distinct counts. These are the functions which we collaborated and used to write such functions in the Power BI. Then the logical function. What are these logical functions? These are the functions that we use in some of the if formulas and or not, and we will detail and learn the if function with the nested if and if error. These are the functions that we learn in this course. Next, the information functions. These are the functions we will learn is blank, is number, is text, is non-text, and is error. So these are the functions that we learn. Um these functions are basically we learn to inquire whether their data type is blank or the data type is a number or is text in the text form or is in non-text form or is error. Then we will learn the date functions such as date, hour, now, today, end of month, weekday. These are functions which are commonly used in when we write date functions or date formulas. And some of the functions are date, add date, difference of the date, difference of the age, year, month, and so on. We will learn in this course. Nextly, we will learn the text functions such as concatenate. The content, the function concatenate used to join two strings within a certain cells. For example, if you want to join first name or last name, which are in different columns, you can write a calculated column and a function in in a column that we club and do it in a such a way. Then replace, then search, then upper fixed. Then our next topic will be data modeling. What we will learn in the data modeling is the introduction to data modeling and how to manage your data relationships and create calculated columns, optimize data models, creating calculated tables, and also the auto calendar table. And we will learn such formulas such as the total month to date, total quarter to date, total year to date. These are the such functions we will also learn. The data modeling is used to basically uh, n- uh, modeling is used to um, join or make relationships among the certain tables which are basically normalized or denormalized in a Power BI as well. Nextly, we will learn the Power Query functions. What is Power Query and how to clean our data when we load the data from text file, from Excel file, from certain files. So we uh, do such thing as well. Thank you so much for your time, and I looking forward to all you to join that training